Yeah, big and bad. You don't know, I the one done this. Straight. That's what I say. I say, yo, 3 men are gone. Yeah. A lot of people, these people, turn around and pray them to kill them. That's what I say. Me know me, I one of them when them a pray to kill. Cause in my one time, I know some of them a pray me hard. They have some wicked girls in the community, them, you know. People are going to say farming, but I'm farming. You can feel it and you can see it. Them a pray me. Yeah. And if me dead, you can tell you as well, me tell you already. It's my family, friend them. Yeah. Any of me dead, I them. And some wicked girl in the same town don't like me. I have to put out this because you understand. You're this a man and him left you not paying no man. And then you have to hear the same people them say, oh, some blood clot like them want to give you. That's what I say. And then the police them now do one fuck. Some of them now do nothing. That's what I say. Nothing them now do. Them go still in a bumbo class station and them taxpayer money now do nothing. And whole heap of shit are going on and be quiet. You have some little pussy while we go to church. And I come go on like say, well, yeah. Them are clean and them chain. Them no bumbo class chain. I mean blame the government. You see anybody where the criminally act in them hometown, them should never make them come back there. Blame them for that. That's why the crime never cut and never done. See me? That me I tell you now. But me know them are pray me to kill me because on a rumor me I spread and on a lie me I tell. Me hear things for me years from some of them I listen. Trust me. I real talk me I tell you. I mean I trouble people. If you walk in my own community, Augusttown, them can tell us them, you know these people are me I show people. Even the man when I voice with me take my ears and hear my tell people say I crack me sing. But me still deal with him, I don't show I love music. And because, you know, but me I'm gonna show you how some people fucked up. Straight. Yeah man.
Money from my brain, every woman.